Hello everyone, the title of our project is to create a Java program to display addition of all numbers which are at odd position in array of size 50. We are from Diploma Computer Engineering course CO course code 3I. The name of our guide is Kalyani Kute. The group members are Shaunak Zadav, Darshana Rinde, Sanika Rinde, Sahil Pawar.
Next point is project abstract. In this project we will create a Java program which will be able to display the addition of all odd numbers in any array of 50 numbers through the use of Java programming language, which is high level object oriented programming language. To accomplish this, we will be using the ideology that odd numbers are not divisible by 2, and if divided by 2 the remainder is always 1.
So, our next topic is concept. In the code, we will be asking the program to check whether the numbers in the array are divisible by 2 and the remainder is 1. If the statement is true, then that number will be considered as odd number. Then all the odd numbers in the array are considered and addition of them is done. Hence, the output is given.
Next point is array. An array is a group of like type variable that are referred to by a common name. Array in Java work differently. They do in C or C++. Following are some important points about Java arrays. In Java, all arrays are dynamically allocated. Since array are object in Java, we can find their length using the object property length. This is different from C or C++. There we can find length using size of a Java array variable can also be declared like other variable with after the data type. The variable in the array are ordered and each have an index beginning from 0. Java R can be also used as a static field, a local variable or method parameter.
Java variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. In this project, we have used integer variable. In Java, integer stores integers, whole numbers, without decimals, such as 123 or negative 123. In Java, there are different types of variables such as string, which stores text such as hello or welcome. String values are surrounded by double quotes. Float. Float stores floating point numbers with decimals such as 19.99 or minus 19.99. Char, also known as character, it stores single characters such as A or B. Char values are surrounded by single quotes. Boolean. Boolean stores values with two states, true or false. As you can see, this is our code. In this code, what we have done is we have basically created an array of 1 to 50 numbers. Then we have decided to tell the program to divide each number by 2, and if the remainder is 1, then the program will consider it as an odd number. And later, though all the odd numbers in the program will be added at last to give us the final result. In this example, the result is 625. In conclusion, through this project, we were able to learn how to code Java using IDE such as Visual Studio Code or Eclipse. We also learned how to solve minor errors or bugs regarding the code and the various problems we found in the debugging stage. We also learned how to debug the code and iron out any problems in the code. So that was our project, and we would like to thank you for watching.